This video is about trying theorems. So let's start with this problem. We need to find the value of h. So the number one triangle angle theorem is that all of the angles in a triangle have to add up to 180. Notice that these two angles are the same, 2h and 2h. That means that these two angles are the same. So if we start with 180 degrees and we subtract the 40, that leaves 140 degrees left for these two angles. So if we divide by 2 so that we can share this equally between these two angles, that's going to be 70 degrees apiece. So you can see if I added these three angles together, that would be 180. Okay, so now look at this pair of angles. See how they make a straight line together? So these two angles are supplementary. Okay, together they add up to 180 degrees. So that means that 2h plus 70 must equal 180 degrees. Subtracting 70 from both sides, we have 2h is equal to 110, and then dividing both sides by 2, we get h is equal to 55. So this should be the answer. Alright. There's a theorem that says the sum of any two angles is equal to the remote exterior angle. What am I talking about? Well, we're going to talk about the sum of angle BAC. Okay, so BAC, that's this angle right here, and angle BCA. So BCA, we're talking about this angle right here. So these are two interior angles. Now, exterior angles are angles like this one, and this one, and this one. All three of those question marks are exterior angles. But we want the remote exterior angle. Remote means far away. So which one of these three is not touching either of the two angles that we started with? Okay, it's this one. This is the remote exterior angle. Okay, so the sum of the two interior angles should equal the remote exterior angle. So the answer should be angle CBE. So this should be the answer. Yay! Alright, this problem uses the same theorem as the last problem. We have these two interior angles, and we have this remote exterior angle. So the sum of the two interior angles should equal the remote exterior angle. So if I add these up, it should equal x. So it's just a matter of what's 35 plus 58. That turns out to be 93. So this should be the answer. All right. Okay. Which angle has a measure equal to the sum of these two? Alright, so this is another problem just like the last two. So we have angle SQR. Okay, SQR, that's this angle right here. And we have angle QRS. So QRS. So these are two interior angles. They should add up to the remote exterior angle. And that would be this. This is the exterior angle that is far away from the two interior angles. So that is angle RSC. So this should be the answer. Kabam. I have to be really quiet because my wife is actually sleeping, so I have to say kabam. Let's see. Which statements are always true regarding the diagram? Check all that apply. Okay, so angle 5 plus angle 3 is going to equal angle what? So angle 5 plus angle 3, will that always equal angle 1? Yes, that's the same theorem that we've used in most of the problems in this video. We have an exterior angle, and we have this is a remote exterior angle and two interior angles, so this should always be true. Okay, angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 should equal 180. Okay, so we're talking about angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay, so let's stop there. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is already 180 degrees because this is a straight line. So together these already make 180 degrees. If we add angle 5, that's going to be more than 180. So this is never true. Okay, angle 5 plus angle 6 equals 180. Alright, so there's angle 5, here's angle 6. Alright, see how they make a straight line when you put them together? Together they make 180 degrees. So that's always true. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equals angle 6. Okay, so we have angle 2 and we have angle 3 and then we have angle 6. Once again, we have two interior angles, and then we have a remote exterior angle. So the sum of the two interior angles should always equal the remote exterior angle. So this should always be true. Okay, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. So angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 5. Alright, well sure, we have these are all of the interior angles of the triangle, and the sum of the angles inside a triangle should always add up to 180. So these are all true except for the second one. Okay?